Hi there, my name is Grant. I'm a student here at Ithaca College. The Office of the Registrar has asked me to compile all of my knowledge about HomerConnect, one of the systems you'll use to access your academic record, into a video to share with you, our incoming first-year students, so you'll be able to review your first-year schedule. Over the next few minutes, this video will take you through the essential components of HomerConnect. My hope is to offer advice on the best practices for using HomerConnect as a student. We'll start by logging into HomerConnect. Go to www.ithaca.edu/homer-connect. Click Student Login. Log in using your Ithaca College credentials. This is the main landing page for HomerConnect. This page displays your student profile and includes information about you and your academic journey. At the top of the page, you will see your name and student ID number displayed. There is a lot of information in HomerConnect. You will learn more during orientation in Ithaca seminar from the Office of the Registrar website and also from continuing students at IC when you arrive on campus. On the left side of the page, there are links to different parts of HomerConnect. In this video, we will cover the Registration and Planning tab and how to view your course schedule. Click the Registration and Planning tab. These tabs will allow you to view different information. Register for Classes is used to register for classes for upcoming semesters. You will learn more about this in the future. Browse Classes allows you to view course offerings for upcoming semesters. Browse Course Catalog allows you to see basic course information for each course that may be offered at IC. View Registration Information is the tab we will focus on in this video. Click on View Registration Information. This tab will display the course information for your registered courses for the term selected. Make sure you have selected the appropriate term. HomerConnect keeps a history, which is great, though you do need to remember to change terms. The top section of the page displays a list of courses you are registered for. Click on the title of each course to view more information. The new window displays specific information about each course. All the information displayed is important, but it can be a lot to look at. Let's focus on a few specific pieces of information. The tabs on the side all house different types of information. The Class Details tab displays the identifying information for the class. Schedule type will be explained more for each class in the first week of classes. Click on Section Information. This displays the course description from the course catalog. This paragraph gives you an overview of what the course will cover. Click on Instructor/Meeting Times. This page displays the name of the instructor, the time and days the class meets, and the location of the class. Click on the name of the instructor to find their email address. This can be used to get in contact with your instructor if you have any questions. Instructors will go over the specifics of each course during the first week of classes. Be sure to open all collapsed boxes. This course, for example, has 2 different meeting times. This is important for navigating your first few weeks of classes. Pay close attention to the beginning and end dates of the courses. For example, this class is a full semester class. This class meets for the entire semester. Most classes at IC are full semester classes. However, some classes only meet for half the semester. This is called a block class. For example, this course meets in block 1 of the semester. The section information and instructor meeting times tabs are very helpful for your first few weeks of classes and will help you navigate the campus. Feel free to explore more of the tabs on this window. When finished, select Close to return to the registration information page. Select the dot in the middle of the page to expand the calendar view. Drag the dot up and scroll down. This will display a calendar view of the courses you are registered for. This view can be helpful for planning your outside of class activities. Click on Schedule Details. This will display class meeting information in a more condensed way. Click the arrows to display more information. Click on Schedule to return to the calendar view. Drag the dot back down to reveal the class list again. You will notice two icons at the top right of the page. Select the print icon to save a PDF or print the list of classes. Select the Calendar Email button to have an ICS file sent to your choice of email. You can use this file to import your classes into your personal calendar. Select or input the email you want the file sent to. Click Send. Be sure to check the academic calendar for information about college-wide schedule adjustments which are not reflected in HomerConnect. The academic calendar can be found at www.ithaca.edu/registrar. Check out our other HomerConnect tutorial videos prior to orientation. Thanks for following along. If you have any questions, please contact the Office of the Registrar at registrar@ithaca.edu or 607-274-3127.